Hello Broken Sound and welcome to the Broken Sound Real Estate Report, brought to you by Champagne and Parisi Real Estate. My name is Claude Champagne and today is Saturday, May the 20th. There's currently 124 homes for sale in Broken Sound. And this week there's 2 new listings. You know folks, Champagne and Parisi Real Estate has been a force in the real estate market in Boca Raton and Broken Sound, and we do have several listings in Broken Sound. And this week, we got the 2 new listings, and they're located at 5900 Northwest 21st Avenue. That is in Fairway Landing. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with almost 2,400 square feet on the air. This home was completely renovated, has a new roof in 2015. It is listed at $579,000. It has a pool, and it is gorgeous. The next one is located at 5106 Northwest 24th Way, and that is in Courtside. Of course, in Courtside, it is on the lakefront. It has 3-bedroom, 4 full bath, over 3,600 square feet on the air. And folks, I can tell you this has the most gorgeous lake and golf course view. So if you're thinking of buying a home with the most incredible view in all of Broken Sound, this is it. $829,000 in Courtside. Is towards the end of the cul-de-sac on the left, 5106 Northwest 54th Way. So if you'd like to see this home or any other home, you can call us at Champagne and Parisi Real Estate at 561-703-4727. You can also visit our website, brokensoundcc.com, where you can see all the homes and see all the photos, videos, and get all the information that you need. Right now, there's 9 homes under contract in Broken Sound, and so far this year, 23 homes sold and closed. And this past week, there was 2 recorded sales, and they're located at 5417 Northwest 21st Avenue. That is in Whisper Trace. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet on the air. Was listed at $239,900. It sold for $183,000. Was on the market for 85 days, and that is $105 per square foot. The next one is located at 2530 Coco Plum Boulevard. That is in Bridgepoint. A 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,800 square feet on the air. Was listed at $249,000. Sold for $227,500. Was on the market for 204 days, and that is $80 per square foot. So if you're thinking of selling, folks, you still have a pent-up demand in Broken Sound, call us at Champagne and Parisi Real Estate at 561-703-4727. Thank you for watching the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. Have a great weekend, stay healthy, and I will see you next week. If you're thinking of buying or selling, please call one of these fine resident realtors, and they are Jim and Sue Moore, Ryan Neal, and John Sherman.